Hashtag building your brand. Essential steps for business growth. Hey everyone, waving hand. Building a strong brand is crucial for any business that wants to thrive. It's how you connect with your audience, build trust, and stand out from the competition. But where do you start? Thinking phase. Here are 3 essential steps to get you on the right track. 1. Define your brand identity. Asterisk. Who are you? What are your values? What makes you unique? Answering these questions will help you create a consistent brand message that resonates with your target audience. 2. Create a strong visual identity. Asterisk. This includes your logo, colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic. Make sure your visuals are consistent with your brand identity and reflect the personality you want to convey. 3. Be consistent. Asterisk. This is key. Maintain consistency in your messaging, visuals, and overall brand experience across all channels. This will help build trust and recognition with your audience. Remember, building a strong brand takes time and effort, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a brand that resonates with your audience and drives business growth. Chart increasing. Now go out there and build your brand. Flex biceps.